Hello everyone, if you need a void check from Simplii Financial, let me show you how to get one quickly through online banking. So this is how you actually order checks. So just you need to sign into online banking, and on the left side menu you can just select more services. Then under account services, click order checks, and then follow the on screen instructions to receive your check. Alright, so if you want to access a void check, you need to sign into online banking, and if you're still signed in, just navigate to account details. From there, you will see an option that says get void check or direct deposit info. And just click the link, ensure the information is correct, and then select print. And it will print out your void check. And that's all there is to it. If you need to order physical checks, just go to more services and then click on order checks. And then write void across it and hand it to your employer or whoever needs your banking info. And that's how you get your void check from Simply Financial.